Well, we're about to test the Elkas out now in this field out there. There's a bunch of hog ruts. Well, ruts, I mean, they kind of tear up the ground, put some pits and holes in it, some craters. We're gonna go through it on the Elkas. I got it in plush settings, so it should be a smooth ride. And we're gonna go through this steep ditch right here. We'll put this on my head and go to the ditch. No problem. Hog ruts, here we go. Pretty rough. I'd say it's taking it pretty good. Really good, actually. Move to high gear. More hog ruts. It likes it. More hog ruts. Look at all these. Need to go out here and hunt them. Probably what I'll be doing tonight, guys. Giving these shocks a good workout. There you go. There's a quick clip. I don't know, almost 3-minute video of hog ruts through a ditch. Only found on Chad Outdoors. I'll keep these videos coming. Let me know if you like these little quick ones like this. Little quickie. Thanks. I'll go twice. There, if you want to float across something, just take the old brute force with some noodles on it.